Hello, I'm just going to show you how to work with the data that's contained in the RadExam, PEC and CCC reports, so it's maybe a little bit more easy for you to access. You may well be aware of how to do this. So I'm just going to show you for a couple of reports in particular, the CCC Committee 2, which lists all of the residents and all of the exams. And we just got an anonymized report here. So what you want to do is go in and select all of your data. Don't take this row 1 that has the medical center written in, but just take out all of the data here and select everything that you have in it. And then the next thing you need to do is go up to the toolbar. This is off the main home tab, and select Format as Table. Pick whatever you want here. Make sure that My Table has headers are selected, because you do have that header row 2 in there, and go OK. That's now going to enable you to be able to sort this in any way you want. So let's go in and click one of the filter buttons. So I want to sort things under resident name. I want to sort under ascending resident name to bring any specific residents together. And you can see here, let me just zoom up a bit, that this has indeed sorted all the data for resident 1, resident 10, etc. together. You can also click on the same button, and if you want to be able to show at the biannual reviews the residents their data, you can just select what resident you want to show, apply filter, and it's going to come up showing that specific resident's exam data, and you can just go through it with them. And if you want to just send that out to them, you can copy and paste that into a different program. Don't forget, if you send the whole thing, they are going to be able to unfilter and see other residents' data. The other report that people sometimes want to do the same with is the PEC Committee 2. So if you want to consolidate all of the data for any specific section together, going to be the same as before. We're going to select all of our data. Whoops, carried away there. Yeah. Right, select all of our data. Doesn't matter if you have a row or 2 over. Make sure that that first header has not been selected. Say Format as Table. Do something different here. Again, my table has headers. Okay. And now we can go in and we can do, and I'm going to show you here how to do some more advanced filters. So as well as using those little clicks, down arrows on each of the individual columns, if you click Data and then click Sort, maybe in a slightly different position, this is the Mac version. And what you want to do is, we're going to do a double slot here. So we're going to select first to sort on R level. And then we're going to select on we're going to select sort first on section, and then we're going to sort on R level. Got that? So sort by section. You can decide what you want to do for anything of these other things. You can make them colored. You can do anything you want. And you can see now that it has brought up, and again, I'm just going to zoom up on it. It's brought up all of the body section with different R levels together, followed by the breast, etc., etc., etc. And you can do that. And again, you can copy and paste this. You can hide stuff. So if I only want to show the breast, we can look at just the breast like that. I can send that to my individual sections if I want to. I can send the whole workbook already pre-filtered. I hope that was helpful to you. I think this just makes these reports a little bit more accessible. We can't do this sort of at the global level for various technical reasons, at least as yet, but this does mean you can work with the data a bit better. Thank you very much.